Okay, Honorable Chair, respected elders, and fellow indigenous people, I stand before you today as a representative of the Chinese people in Sumatra, who have been fighting for our right to self-determination for centuries. Our struggle is not just about political independence, but about the survival of our culture, our language, and our very identity. For too long, we have been marginalized, colonized, and oppressed by foreign powers. Our natural resources has been exploited, our land has been taken, and our people has been killed or forced to flee. But we have never been given up our dream of independence. We, the Chinese people, have unique culture and history that is distinct from the rest of Indonesia. We have our own language, our own religion, and our own custom. But we have been forced to assimilate into Indonesian culture, and our identity has been erased. We are not seeking a special treatment, but equal right and recognition as indigenous people. We want the right to govern ourselves, to control our own resources, and to preserve our own culture. I urge the international community to support our struggle for independence. We are not alone in this fight. There are many other indigenous people around the world who are fighting similar struggles. Let us stand together, guys, and fight for our rights. Let us celebrate our diversity and our differences. Let us work toward a world where indigenous people are respected, recognized, and free. Thank you so much.